Coverage of the 2025 expectations. OT's a threat, but can they fill their seats? Collingwood fans still cannot find their teeth. Sydney Swans.
Location still is unknown.
Brisbane looking like the top side. Bruce gained about 5'5". Helmet man's got a helmet twin. It's about time that Pong wins the Brownlow, but Paddy Cripps will say sorry, no, I'm pulling 84 votes. Well, now I'm wondering what you think's more like. Tigers in the top 4 or Dons winning a final every year. The Cats are so damn bloody good. Can they please take a note out of the West Coast in your book?